the river itself. See, folks, like I said previously, you do find yourselves in the Savannah River today. If you had a little bit too much to drink last night, you think you're on the Mississippi, it's a bit further west than that. We're on the Savannah River this afternoon. Folks, the Savannah River actually begins at a little place called Hartwell, Georgia. Now, folks, Hartwell, Georgia, that's about 300 miles up the river from here. 300 miles upriver. Wildlife population. The river is also home to a very healthy port economy. As a matter of fact, you folks are actually sitting and standing in the third busiest shipping port in the United States currently. Now, you might be wondering, gosh, when did that happen? Or what exactly is it about this port, Savannah, that makes it an opportune place for trade or commerce? Well, folks, I'll answer that question in 3 words. That would be location, location, and location. Put it to you this way, folks, you're looking at a map, looking at the east coast of the country where we are right now. We are the westernmost port on the east coast. Westernmost on the east. So western, in fact, we're actually due south of Cleveland, Ohio. That's how inland we are on the coast.